Welcome to our channel. If you want to make healthy eating unbelievably easy and sustainable, follow these step-by-step strategies. Step 1. Plan your meals for the week ahead every Sunday, creating a simple menu and shopping list to avoid impulsive, unhealthy choices. Step 2. Prep your vegetables and proteins in advance by washing, chopping, and storing them in clear containers for easy access during busy weekdays. Step 3. Keep healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, and cut vegetables readily available in your fridge and pantry at eye level. Step 4. Use smaller plates and bowls to naturally control portion sizes without feeling deprived or counting calories obsessively. Step 5. Start each meal with a glass of water and a serving of vegetables to fill up on nutritious foods first. Step 6. Replace unhealthy ingredients gradually by swapping white rice for brown rice, regular pasta for whole wheat, and sugary drinks for water. Step 7. Cook in batches during the weekend and freeze individual portions for quick, healthy meals throughout the week. Step 8. Keep a food journal or use a simple app to track your eating patterns and identify areas for improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.